Hello guys and welcome back to Retron channel on YouTube. So today video, I am doing another different type of tutorial based on trading analysis. So this is not any financial instruction or any financial advisory or anything. I just here to introduce some of the best indicator for trading and to be alert again. Trading is not a game for everybody. Trading is not a game. Trading is an investment. It requires more uh, how do I say? It require more practice, require more active learning, so that you can improve your trading skill on a upward direction. So in today's video, apart from being learning the skill and everything, I'm going to introduce you to the indicator where it can help you to signal for a buy or sell. So again, this is not any financial advisory or any financial guidance. This is just an educational purposes to assist you on your daily work. So if you're trading on MT4 and you want something to be part of your trading practice and enhancement, then this is the perfect video for you. I would like to introduce you to the Wan Shell indicator. So what is Wan Shell indicator? Well, Wan Shell indicator is actually a indicator based on the how do I say support and resistance and all of those higher high, higher low, all those stuff. Mostly a higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high, or something like that. So if you understand the trading skill behind those higher high, higher low, or lower high, lower low, then Wan Shell is actually the same practical indicator for MT4. So again, this indicator is only for MT4. It's not compatible with MT5 platform. If you're looking for MT5, I'm sorry, this is not what it meant to be, but it's just only available for MT4. And for the indicator software or file, I will put in the description below. You can go download and try. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to download it, how to install it, how to use it, how to implement it inside the MT4. So download, I don't really want to say it again. For download part, you simply go to the link in the description, you click on that, and it will lead you direct to the download directory. And again, for usage, I think I might want to guide you through how to use it first. Okay, so to use the indicator is very simple. You see, I have applied the indicator inside the window itself right now into the MT4 itself. You can see all of those star, red star, green star in all across the time frame. You got 1 minute star, you got 5 minute star, you got 30 minute, 15 minute, and all across the time frame. Okay, so the most recommended use is to be focused on a M15 15-minute time frame, and for long-term trading and more trustworthy is to frequently look for H4, the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so H4 normally is a long slope, long traffic of candle, so it is much clearer to use the indicator for H4 as a long-term prediction. But for a short-term or intraday trade, you might need to switch into M15. But the M15 itself must be following the H4 trend or star. Okay, so for example, if the H4 star is actually showing green, which means that now it's in a pivot point where it's turning from being sell to being buy. So the long term telling you that there's a green star pops up, so you need to be focusing on buy, not to sell. Okay, so because this is just a long term, it took a lot of time to go from here up here, so you cannot bet your trading on the star. But this is a reminder for you in an H4 time frame that now the star is appearing in green, so all you have to do is to must and always trade in a smaller time frame with a very high caution for selling, which means that you're only allowed to go for buying, not selling. So you see, ever since the green star is popping up, the trend is moving all the way up. Of course, there's a down, something like that, but it never go down lower than the higher low. So this is the higher low, all of this, right? It never ever broke down the higher low. It's all breaking the high, higher high. It keep on breaking the high all the way. Just why? Because the first part of it is showing the green star. So they are telling you to focus on the buy. So this is the trend that you need to follow. So H4 is actually when the green star is popping up, it's telling you that the trend is changing to the upside trend. Now you look back to the red star. Well, before it turned into red, it used to be a green. But suddenly, it turning into red. So what does that mean? It means that now the trend is changed from being buy to being sell. So you enter at any point where the red star is existing, and then when you start to trade, it will follow the selling trend and you'll be profitable from that. So each star, because this is a higher time frame H4, so each star to each other is a very long period of time. So you can still enjoy the time, even though you're a little bit late, but you have to be cautious as well. So again, in trading, there's nothing as a guarantee. So you must have yourself well analysis, well analyzed, well educated, well trading with caution, trading with the amount that you are afforded to be loose. Don't overtrade yourself. Don't FOMO at the time. Don't start to fear of missing out all of that. So focus and be careful with trading. Trend is your friend. Same thing, everybody say so. I never believed that, but now I do. So after showing you that the H4 is actually indicate for a long-term perspective. So you need to caution. You need to be caution yourself to follow the trend only. If it is a buy trend now, you go for buy only. You don't go for sell. If you're trying to sell, please be careful with that. And if it is in red star, we're telling you that this is the pivot point that it's switching from buying to selling, then you have to be cautious with buying. Okay, so now I'm telling you that the H4 is for a long-term perspective for you to see. It's not about for you to sell or buy or trading, but it's about to show you that what will happen in the future, whether it is now on the buy side or on the sell side. Okay, so now let's go into intraday trading. Okay, so intraday trading, you might want to trade every day, every hour like that. So it's not good to trade for H4 because each candle taking 4 hours of time. You cannot wait for that. So in order to trade daily, you have to switch into M15 because M15 is related to H4. M15 is actually very reliable and you can enjoy trading with M15 with the indicator itself as well. So the indicator showing the trend, right? So now a lot of trend, you will see a lot of star happening, right? You will see it switching over in a very short period of time from sell to buy, from buy to sell. So this is where it fit to what I'm saying a moment ago, because this is in H4 is a buy trend. So whatever you do, you have to be focused on buy only and be cautioned for being sell. So when you switch into M15, which means that all of this candle is actually located inside H4, which is on the buy side. So when you switch into M15, you will see there are a lot of stars popping up, some green, some red, right? But because we are on the buy side, so you would only want to following the green star. Whenever the green star pop up, it means that the smaller time frame is aligned with the higher time frame. The smaller time frame is asking you to buy. The higher time frame also aligned with it, then you do it, then you buy it. But when the small time frame telling you to sell, it try to signal you that there is an opportunity to sell, but you must sell with caution, or you're not going to, or you're not anticipating to any trading at all, and you just keep on waiting for the green to pops up, and then you enter the market. So there's a slight chance where green and red might be confusing, and also might be unprofitable. You might probably lose in a buy inside a uptrend, but you are profitable more on buy side inside the uptrend as well. So as what I say, there's nothing as a guarantee. It's very easy to use the candle when you understand all of this. If you don't understand how to use it, just message me inside the description, or maybe you rewatch many times of this video and then you get to understand what I'm trying to say. So you trade on a smaller time frame and only trade it with the signal that align to the higher time frame. If a higher time frame is a buy trend, whatever a smaller time frame telling you to sell, you should not follow that. You should only follow the signal where it tells you to buy. Same thing vice versa. If the trend is now in H4, indicate or showing as a downtrend, popping up a red star, then in a smaller time frame, you should not follow any buy star. You should not follow any green star that pops up. You must wait until the red star is pop out, and then you enter the market at that time. It is much lower risk and it is more profitable. Don't counter trend, follow trend. H4 is the best. Indicator show in H4 will signal for you, will give you a green light to follow, to align the smaller time frame trading with the higher time frame. Okay, so this is the part of how you're using it. Okay, so now let's get to another part where how you are able to install that. Okay, so in order to install that, I have to first I would like to remove the indicator. So delete the indicator. Okay, now you have the clean MT4 platform right here, right? So you simply go into file, and then you're going to open data folder. Click on that, so it will pop up the data folder, right? So now you go into the file that you have just downloaded from the website, the link. I don't know whether this one or okay, so this is Wan Shell. Okay, so now you see the word wanshell.ex4, right? So you are copying it, copy, and then you go into the file directory that you just opened from MT4 a moment ago. You go into sorry, wait. You go into this is not template. MQL4, and then you go to indicator again. Let me show you again. Open your MT4, click on file, click on open data folder, and then go into MQL4, and then you go into indicator, and you paste the file that just copied a moment ago. So because I already have inside, it's asking me to replace the file, so I'm not going to replace it, cross it. So assume that I have already put it. So maybe I'm showing you where I put it. Okay, here, wanshell.ex4. So once you have copy and paste in here, close the folder. Make sure to close the MT4 as well. You reboot, you restart MT4. When you already restart, you go into insert, you go into indicator, you go into custom, and then down there you will see a lot of indicator inside, and all of that, among that, you will find the word Wan Shell, the one that we just add in a moment ago. So click on that, click on OK. So now it pops up. So now you got the star popping up as well. So enjoy trading, enjoy your profitable day, and make sure that you must trade with risk management. You have to be caution all the time, keep improving, keep learning. Practice is perfect, practice make perfect, and also only trade in the amount that you afford to lose. Don't overtrade yourself. Don't try to re-earn back what you have lost, because there's no such thing in trading. And if you encounter some difficulty, financial difficulty from trading, you should take your time, leave, spend some time for yourself, and then keep on improving, learning, and practicing. So thank you for watching. Hope this video is helping you on trading, and wish you guys all the best with profitable day every day. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another tutorial next time. Thank you.